Once upon a midday shopping while I walked slow and mocking, over the thought of spending my day at the store. While I walked, nearly tripping, suddenly I saw some tipping, riding their way to the front of the line in a bore. "'Tis some cheaters in the express lane with more," I roared, no longer in a bore. So mad I almost ran over aloud as I made my way to the door. As I walked getting faster, suddenly I saw the master of the store coming to my aid and opening another checkout floor. Eagerly I went to follow, then my excitement turned to sorrow. Sorrow over the line that had already formed out the door. I wanted to angrily stomp out that automatic door. I didn't want to be here anymore. I waited, wishing and whining in line for time to grow faster. Oh Lord, how I am bored, more bored than I have ever been before. So that now, to quicken the line, I stood repeating this rhyme. "'Tis a checkout lane over there by the Halloween gore. You better head now to be the first in line by the Halloween gore." People ran until it was me and no more.